Ready, start. The writ court cannot issue a direction which has the effect of conferring jurisdiction upon an authority which is not vested in it by law, nor can issue a direction so as to deny exercise of jurisdiction by an authority which is so vested in it by law. Full stop. It is for the legislature to create forum, and once such forums have been constituted, the writ court would ordinarily not issue a direction permitting a different course. Full stop. It appears that learned additional advocate general appearing for the state of Uttar Pradesh, being conscious of such statutory scheme, has taken the stand before us that a direction could have been issued by the writ court only to the registrar for holding election under section 25 under bracket 2 of the act, and such a direction could not have been issued to the authorized controller for this purpose. Full stop. It is otherwise interesting to note that in the present case the authorized controller has further delegated its power and has directed the sub-divisional magistrate to conduct election which is even otherwise not permissible in law. Full stop. It is further apparent that competent authorities under the Act of 1860 have not yet resolved the issue of membership, nor the civil court has ruled on it, and therefore to permit the sub-divisional magistrate as delegate of the authorized controller to publish election program would amount to elections being rendered a farce. Full stop. Para. At this stage, I may also draw distinction between the authorized controller appointed under the Act of 1973 and the authorized controller appointed in respect of educational institutions recognized under the provisions of the UP full stop Intermediate Education Act 1921, Section 16C of the Act of 1921 provides for framing of a scheme of administration to manage an institution. Full stop. Section 16D provides that such scheme shall not be inconsistent with the third schedule, which provides for procedure for constituting the committee of management as per scheme of administration by holding periodical elections. Full stop. The committee of management of the institution is a distinct body. Full stop. The scheme of administration also contains a provision that in case elections are not held within time, the authorized controller shall be appointed, who shall get the elections held to constitute the committee of management of the institutions. Full stop. Para. There is a distinction between an educational institution recognized under the Act of 1921 as well as an educational institution affiliated to an university incorporated under the Act of 1973. Full stop. In respect of the educational institution recognized under the Act of 1921, specific power vests by virtue of scheme of administration in the authorized controller to conduct elections, and that is why directions are issued by writ court to the authorized controller to hold election. Full stop. The situation is different in respect of an educational institution affiliated to an university incorporated under the Act of 1973. Full stop. The Act of 1973 does not provide for a separate scheme of administration, nor any such scheme has been placed on record conferring jurisdiction upon the authorized controller to hold elections of society for managing the educational institution. Full stop.